Ethereum has unfortunately posted a bearish trifecta today, which most often will result in moves down. But guys, don't worry, we are actually excited about this. In fact, as the price drops, we're going to be looking for a potential buy opportunity in Ethereum before the next move up. And guys, moves up are coming, and I'm going to show you exactly why that is in today's video. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we are 206 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades, with 3 trades won earlier this week, ranging between 8 to 10%. As the price drops, we're going to be looking for more trade setups, so stay tuned in the trade setups page, and be sure to head over to our future forecast video in order to catch this new episode. Potential end to the Bitcoin rally. Should you consider selling today? Bitcoin has experienced a significant surge, rising by $10,600 over the past 9 days. However, market data is showing signs of an impending slowdown. If you have been considering taking profits and investing at lower prices, you need to see this data today. Now, we're not saying by any means the pump is over, but the rest of this week may be tough to trade, and you're going to see why today. Now, more importantly for Ethereum traders, we're going to show you that those who own altcoins right now will most likely be future millionaires of this coming cycle. We love Bitcoin and Ethereum, don't get us wrong, but once you see this data, it'll convince you why we have $80,000 allocated to altcoins in the Trade Confident portfolio. Posted yesterday, July 16th, you do not want to miss this future forecast video, and stay tuned for a video later this week. Jumping into the analysis, we're looking at Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. First up, let's check out this resistance structure. Today we tested $3,518 with an exact wick at that level. This is a very strong resistance, so I'm not surprised at all to see moves down. At the same time, whale money appears to have stalled out at this structure resistance, sitting at a value of 47 on the indicator. Now, if we manage to break above this resistance, this will be highly bullish for Ethereum, and it is likely to result in massive moves up. But something I want everyone to pay attention to is the fact that whale money is still actually buying. We have a tick up here, which means that this drop is actually a response from retail traders. It's not whale traders selling, it is retail traders right now, which means there is a possibility whales are going to continue buying this dip. Now, on the more bearish side of things, trades in favor shows a 79% chance of a drop. We just pushed into the short trade zone, and most often this means that upward momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce back down. Now, this is playing out, especially with a sell signal posting at the same time. All 3 of these, with trades in favor high, price versus while money flow at a local top, and a sell signal, creates what's called the bearish trifecta. And as you can see repeatedly, this is going to result in moves down in price. So we need to be careful. But as I told you in the intro, we're viewing this as a potential buy opportunity. In fact, I've actually marked up the buy zone sitting between the prices of $3,233 and $3,356. I think that $3,233 level is the lowest we are going to go. That is a very strong structure support with multiple touches all throughout Ethereum's history. It'll be tough to break farther down than that. And if we did break farther down, specifically lower than $3,000 itself, this would be a problem, and I just don't think Ethereum whales are going to let that happen. We saw a low, we saw a high, we saw a higher low, a higher high, higher low, a much higher high, and now it only stands to reason that we're going to see a higher low to continue this uptrend. From there, we'll need to see a higher high if the data I'm about to show you has anything to say about it. While we're bearish on the 1-day time frame, that's only looking out a few days, likely to the end of this week. However, if we head to the weekly time frame, we're looking a couple of months out here. And on the weekly, whale money is very low. Trades in favor actually shows an 80% chance of a pump, showing we are in the long trade zone. Now, we don't have a buy signal here, but on the weekly, the price versus while money flow and trades in favor indicating bullish is enough. This is extremely exciting and means we could very easily see moves back to the upside. And when we see that, they're likely to be much larger moves than what are shown on the daily. Part of the reason for this is, I'm going to load up some lines here. We have a bull flag. Most often the price is going to be magnetized to this descending resistance line, and this is a very large move up. I'll give you specifics later on in this video, but as we approach this level, a third touch is traditionally where we're going to break out from a bull flag, and from there, much larger moves up are likely. We're going to stay conservative though. We're going to stick to this descending resistance line as the top of this current uptrend, and we'll reevaluate as we're closer to that level. But right now, the weekly time frame is extremely bullish. Whales are buying. Trades in favor shows that downward momentum has run out and we're bouncing upwards. And these are all very good signs. Back to the daily. What we want to see happen now is a smaller move down. And as we approach the bottom support of this buy zone, we want to see price versus will money flow low. We want to see trades in favor low and a buy signal at the support to create the bullish trifecta. The bullish trifecta is what we've used to enter almost every single one of the 206 wins and 0 losses that we've earned in the last 16 months. This is extremely reliable, and more than 80% of the time, you're going to see a bounce to the upside simply because those signals are shown. Once we see the 1 day and the weekly time frame here matching up in bullish sentiment, that is where I think we're going to see a bounce, test of resistance, and another move up. Now there is one more resistance level that we have to watch. That sits right about here at $3,651. That could be the point of the next higher high before a higher low, before we touch the descending resistance. Or if we're really lucky, we're just going to head straight up to that resistance anyways. Now the next touch on the descending resistance is likely to be around the $3,900 range, maybe a little bit higher than that even. But a move up to $3,900 is very likely after we touch into the buy zone. And from the bottom of this buy zone, which is where we expect to test, to this resistance is going to be a 20% move up. And I think this is going to play out over the next month or so. Short term, I'm talking to the end of this week, a drop into the buy zone is likely for a new higher low before that next move up. As this plays out, be sure to manage your risk. Be sure to set up your indicators. In fact, as this plays out, you need to have these indicators loaded up on your charts, watching both the daily and the weekly time frame to make sure you have the best data possible, to make sure you have the best chances of a good entry. Now, I want to let you know it's actually much cheaper to purchase these indicators with a membership than it is without one, with the exclusive discount codes provided to our members. Our members are also going to get access to trade setups, future forecast coaching videos, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overview, and the Inner Circle live Zoom hangout coming up later this month. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the first link, and click that, and that'll bring you to our membership page. Full access, $65 a month. Everything I just showed you and more is yours. Go ahead and click subscribe now. Follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, head to the second link for our indicator page. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for, and members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. Once you have that, click Pro Indicator Pack, go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for new trade setups coming soon and the future forecast video released yesterday. Don't miss out.